Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'll be showing you the best free Shopify themes. So first up here, just need to open your Shopify account and make sure that you sign in with your account. So basically, if you're going to look at your themes, you just need to go here on Shopify theme store. So this is the official theme store. Then you can explore free themes right here. We have some bunch of free themes like Dawn, Origin, Spotlight, Craft, Taste, Studio, Crave, Publisher, Color Block. We have also some Refresh, Sense, and Ride. So they are basically all free. And theme is very important. So theme is basically the foundation of your store. So it's your investment. You're putting time into building and customizing your store on top of this theme. So basically you just have to select what is for you the best theme that you can use. So if you are a beginner in Shopify, you might be looking for a theme that you want to use to start building a shop. So these are all presets and pre-designed themes that has the different designs, but take note, they are actually the same in terms of sections and blocks, same settings and same code. So basically, the default theme here that installed for your beginner is the Dawn theme, as you can see here. But as I mentioned, these themes like Dawn are all the same with other themes. Okay, for example, I'm currently using the Spotlight theme right here, right? And then here I will be showing you how easy to make my current theme look like exactly like the Dawn theme, right? So what we're going to do, I'm going to use the Spotlight and Dawn theme, and I will show you how they are the same. So for example, if you go here on Dawn theme, as you can see, if you're going to like adding some featured collections, you can go to add section. We have featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text. And if you're going back to Spotlight theme, as you can see, they have the same section here. So we have the same section on different themes. So basically, if you want to add, so for example, if we go back to Spotlight, I am using here a featured collection. So if we're going back to Dawn theme, basically we can use also that featured collection. And then we can basically add some images from here, the same as the Spotlight theme, and it will be looks like this. So as you can see here, as I've said, they have the same settings, the same sections with these different themes. So I can do exactly the same demonstration for anyone in these themes, right? So maybe some beginners will be looking at these themes and deciding which one they're gonna use. So I suggest that you should go with Dawn theme. So choosing one of these themes basically gives you a starting point. So go for the one that gives you the best kind of feel, so you can save time on customizing it for your store. So if you're a beginner in Shopify, you might also be thinking, do all Shopify themes have the same settings, types of section, or how they design with the colors and fonts? Well, basically, no. Shopify themes can be entirely different in their settings available when you compare to paid or premium themes and free themes. So there's a lot of differences on settings and sections on paid and free themes. And here we have also third-party themes right here. If we're going to some like other website like this, you will find here some of the free third-party themes, but I recommend you to choose the paid third-party themes, because you need to make sure that you check the requirements that it's allowed on the official theme store. That's why I only recommend those top rated third-party themes, which not gonna be the free themes, so you don't have any problems using that theme on Shopify. So if you're a beginner in Shopify, the first theme, it should be Dawn, or one of the free themes here. So as I've said, they are all basically the same theme. But if you have money, then I suggest that you should get a premium paid themes. So yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.